Hey guys, I'm Catherine. Julianne made it. Welcome to New Mexico.
Yeah, literally my brain is fried. Oh, that was a really long drive. So Catherine and I are trying to get everything together for the live show, which is actually, we're gonna say it's today, even though for us it's tomorrow.
Right, so Saturday.
Saturday at 10 o'clock Mountain Time.
Yes.
And we're gonna talk about prepping and homesteading. You can see Catherine's the real deal. We have the rabbits behind us. And beautiful New Mexico. It's a perfect place to homestead.
I think so.
So
this
wonderful.
is my heaven.
And it feels like home to me. The climate here is very similar to home, so it's kind of nice to be here and breathe the dry, high mountain air.
Yep.
So tomorrow we're going to show just kind of, probably we're going to talk about a wide range of topics, but we're going to do it while we're spinning. If you're interested in, yeah, I'm really struggling. Do you want to talk about what we're going to do tomorrow?
So she is going to be showing me, she brought me a hopper, which is a Spinolution spinning wheel. If you like what you see, check them out on our Etsy store. But I am brand new to spinning. I don't even think it's giving justice to the term brand new, because I literally don't know what I'm doing. So she's walking me through. It's a back to basics type of video. Then Sunday we will be doing a soaping video, and
just a basic recipe for anybody who's afraid of lye, which my mom used to make soap, but I was young enough that I didn't necessarily take a large hand in it. I used the soap afterwards. We used it for laundry and things like that. There's different types of recipes. There's the harsher recipes that you use for laundry, and then there's the softer recipes that have like goat's milk and that kind of thing.
Right, which is what I make.
Right. So hopefully we'll see you today, Mountain Time, 10 o'clock a.m. on Facebook, and the same time on Sunday for the soap class.
Yes. And hope to do this regularly Saturday and Sunday. So spinning Saturdays, soaping Sundays.
Yep. Sounds good.
All right, we'll see you later, guys.